The grass mower just came over our start, and that was shortly after we laid our cross track, which I anticipated would give us some trouble, which it did. She has gone over the scent pad with the treat, gives a negative, and circles. A cross track is here, and you can see that she follows it. Does a little circling, and she checks out both sides before coming back, which I guess was due to the pressure on my line because I knew the cross track was there, and it was like a neon light because it had just been laid. Now there's a speed bump here because I'm about to turn to the right, and she goes over the speed bump, doesn't find the treat, does a little circling around and sniffing, and she finds it on her own. And she's off again. Had another speed bump there, but you can see that she just walks over it, does her turn to the right, and is pretty close to the track. And again, she can sniff the cross track, and she's off on her little cross track sniff. And I try and point her in the right direction. And then finally she takes it. Here she's at a speed bump, and she's actually found the treat, which is the first one on this little track. And she's looking for where we should go next. Here she's air scenting because my friend is in the opposite field with her Papillon walking her track. So she showed quite a bit of interest in that, and I mean, there's obviously air scenting, so I guess it's a distraction of sorts. And then she moves on and she finds her article. This was 250 meters and a sunny day, some cloud, and pretty windy. So I think in future I should not be using my hand to point her in the right direction, but instead ask her, is that the right track?